Hello and welcome to the overview of BIMcontact, an advanced web-based cloud solution for the building industry that is capable of handling collaboration, project planning, resource allocation and utilization, task management and document management. In this video we will go through the basic features of BIMcontact. As you can see, the main functional areas of BIMcontact are listed on this left side panel. On the right side you see the briefing board. It acts like a dashboard and shows the meetings, activities, events and the messages. Let's start by looking at Select Workspace. When you log in, you'll be in the lobby. Here, you can share information, such as templates, documents and common information, with all the workspaces and users of the portal. Under the lobby, we have a tree structure of organizational units that group different project workspaces under it. Organizational units provide a way to organize workspaces into different groups or categories. A workspace is a collaborative area that enables cooperation around a specific purpose. For example, a workspace can be tied to a particular building project, let us say Blue Mountain. So this workspace will have all the information and collaboration efforts surrounding it. Users can only access workspace that they've been given permission to enter. Let's enter into the workspace Blue Mountain. Now, if you look at the top of the page, the header has changed color and displays the name of the workspace. Each workspace contains the functional areas that you find in the panel to the right. You can now access functions and features that belong only to this workspace. If you want to go back to the lobby, or to another workspace, you can do that by selecting the corresponding destination. Let us now go through the different sections within the coordination and collaboration area. In this workspace, let us open the coordination and collaboration panel. Here, we'll find the briefing board. It'll give you an overview of what's going on, such as current meetings, activities, events and messages. In the calendar, you can view and schedule meetings and other events. You can also invite people to meetings, handle meeting requests, and check coworkers' availability. In the Contacts section, you can add your contacts. What contact information other users can see depends on the visibility settings of the contact. They can also be arranged in groups. And it is possible to send emails and SMS to contacts directly from the portal. In the Tasks section, you can set up your own to-do list or create tasks and assign it to other users. The tasks can be arranged under different categories, a due date can be set, and users can add their comments or attach a supporting document to the task. Lastly, you have the Users section. Here, you can invite new members to the workspace, arrange them in groups, and assign roles. Now let us go through the different sections under the Planning and Control area. We'll start with the Activity Planner. Here you can plan, monitor and follow up on different activities. The interactive Gantt chart on the right side illustrates dependencies, responsible persons, and how activities and milestones are related to each other. Next, we have the Resource Planner. The Resource Planner lets you allocate resources in different projects and activities. You can track the allocation rate on resources, as well as for the whole, or parts, of the organization through Resource Planner, and the reports that are generated. With the Resource Planner, managers could easily find out the workload of each resources and allocate them optimally. Now let us see the Expenses section. In the Expenses, you can have budget and track costs on project and activity level. Based on the entries, different reports can be generated. Same as in the Expenses section, under the Incomes, you can budget and track incomes on project and activity level and generate different reports based on the entered data. Let us now go through the different sections within the Document Management area. In the Document Management area, the documents are arranged in a tree structure. You can navigate through them by clicking on the folders. Once you select a particular folder, you can see the content of the folder on the right side. The files uploaded in the folders are version controlled, and one can go back to any prior version of the file. You have the option to make a file public, so that the non-members could access it through an external link. The document management area comes with inbuilt workflow capabilities. You can initiate an approval request workflow for any of the files to reviewers. The reviewers can consist of users in the portal or external users who are in your contact list. You can also subscribe to files so that any changes in the file can be notified to the subscriber. The file viewer in the document management area allows users to easily view the project-related drawings and files online. The viewer supports more than 300 document types including CAD drawings and IFC files that can be interactive. The files under the document management area can have meta fields. You can add metadata to files in order to group them together and can be used to enhance search. It can also be used to create smart folders. The smart folder shows all the documents that have specific metadata associated with it. Now we will go through the My Functions area. My Functions contain the user's personal information. Here, the user can change personal settings, and manage personal documents, and calendar, and more. In My Documents, you can view the stored documents in your personal document archive. The same applies to your images, stored in My Images. You can also have your own smart folders. Here, you can list documents with specific meta fields. My Briefing Board shows the meetings, activities and messages specific to you. My Calendar is the place where you can see all your meetings, from all your workspaces, together with your private meetings. You can, of course, edit your own user information, contact information, and skills in My Settings. You can manage your subscriptions under My Subscriptions. You can subscribe to documents and images. It means that you'll get an email with all the changes made to the file, according to your selected subscription frequency. Next is your Message Center. This is intended for communication between the members of the portal. You can send a message to individual or group of users. You can see if the messages have been read or not, which will improve accountability. My Time Reporting is where you register the time you've spent on different projects and activities. You can overview your registered time on daily, weekly or monthly basis, and generate time reports. The time reporting can be done through web, desktop or mobile interface. Now we will go through the administration area. Under the administration section of a workspace, as an administrator you can change the basic settings. But if you are portal admin, there are more options are available. In order to access this option you have to select the lobby and then select the administration area. In this portal administration section, you can manage different settings for the portal. This includes adding new workspaces, organizational units and assigning of users. In financial administration, you can set up currencies, rates, assign users as financial reporters and add user-defined fields. Resource administration lets you manage resources. For instance, assign roles, and register skills and proficiency level. Contact administration makes it possible to set up contact groups and add custom fields in your contact information. With lobby settings, you can change the name and description of the portal. The Meta Fields section allows you to create meta fields and add different types of labels. Under Time Administration, you can add, edit, and delete time types. There are two predefined types, regular and overtime. These cannot be deleted, but you can change the time factor. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions or would like to know more, visit our website or contact us on the email shown on the screen.